Hello guys, it's Jeff from JTS. Today I am a very happy boy because we have got a Ferrari 599 GTB in. So I am over the moon to be working on a Ferrari in the workshop. It's actually a better feeling having a Ferrari come into the workshop rather than actually owning one. So for me, I don't know whether you guys will relate, but running a business, having someone bring their luxury supercar into us, like Ferrari, anything like that, Lamborghini, means a lot to me because obviously it shows it's a proud moment. That's what it is. It's a proud moment. I could just say, oh yeah, well we always work on these kind of things. Well, bottom line is we don't. The two supercars we have had in, I've had to buy to get them in. So the R8 and the Lambo, I've always wanted one to come in the workshop. So I made it happen. Obviously I purchased one to bring it in, but the fact that this one's come off, you know, as a legitimate customer, in for an exhaust repair, brought a smile to my face. And I thought I'd document the car quickly and let you know what we've done to it. So I think the rain's just stopped raining. So this is, it's a 2006 plate, so it's 20 years old now, hence why we've got some corrosion on the back box. Done an exhaust repair, as you can see under here. You see the puddles of weld there. Yeah, we picked a bad day, it's raining. Yeah, I'm very happy. It's made my day. Let's get back in because it's raining. So yeah, fabricating exhausts. This one was just an easy job, to be fair. Obviously the car's getting old, so the centre section's got, you know, like the clamps coming loose, and then the back end, the clamps, the actual mounting points onto the boxes are getting quite crusty. So it's one of them really, like a bit of maintenance here and there. We didn't have to build a full system. We'd love to build a full system. We'd love to work on more Ferraris, more Lambos, more Audi R8s, Mustangs, anything like that, anything more supercar territory we're kind of interested in. But to get something in, after 10 years in the trade, believe it or not, it's quite hard to build up that trust with customers and clients and people that own supercars, or they have a £100,000 car. For them to call us up, trust them with, you know, their pride and joy for us to work on in an atmosphere or a business that I created, means a lot. Means a lot. It doesn't seem a lot, and I'm not actually excited by the car itself. I'm excited by the idea of kind of what's happened, if that makes sense. So I'm excited, and I'm very proud that someone's brought their car into us of this level. For me, it's not about, I'd rather this car come in to me rather than owning it. So it's more of an achievement that this Ferrari has come into me as a customer, as like a paid job, than me actually going out and buying one. I get a lot more satisfaction of this coming into us rather than me purchasing it. If I bought a Ferrari, fair play, I'd be well happy, but I'm actually happier that it's the other way around and the customer's brought one into us. That means a great deal much more. It's a much bigger achievement. It's a much bigger achievement because you've got trust, you've got the satisfaction, you've got the confidence, you've got like the good feeling about it, you've got the staff that are feeling good about it, you've got the content, there's so much more to it than just the four wheels coming into the workshop. I mean, yes, it's just because of the badge, but it's that kind of confidence and that kind of feeling and stigma around these cars. So yes, it's an achievement to buy one, but in my eyes it's massive more achievement one coming into the workshop to be worked on. I mean, let that make sense, but it makes sense to me. For me.
Your next car, isn't it?
Next car? Yeah. I don't need any more broken cars.
We'll be bored about Lando next week.
He's gonna hammer it down and weld it in place.
Yeah, we'll try and get a little stitch on the bottom and maybe try and puddle weld it where the holes are supposed to be.
Was that riveted on before then, or bolted or what? It's just,
I think they're bolted.
It's strange how that's come off, isn't it? They're bolted.
Been thread for it, but yeah, it's just snapped off, isn't it?
Ah, it's literally corroded.
It's a 20-year-old car.
Yeah.